My name is Dante, and welcome to Montana. In this episode, we're going to be visiting a few parks, Big Mountain, and the famous Hungry Horse Dam. Hope you all enjoy. Sit back and relax. Hold on. Alright, we are at Woodland Park, and we're watching a giant make friends with the animals. Watch. He's gonna whoop your ass, Dane. Just look how many geese. Goose. Can you believe it, Alex?
Yeah. Duck, goose. Cooking. Care. Dad listened to me. The noise was fair. My sweet.
What is this place, Dean?
You just gonna interrupt me like that? I'm gonna pet him.
You gonna pet him, Dane?
I can't. Ah, dude, that smells good.
I love you. So we are here at the Woodland Park Garden with Alex. It's his first day in Montana.
I have no
And
sense
Dane
of
the
fucking
animal.
smell.
Is this cannabis?
Is this
cannabis?
Is this it?
It kind of looks like it, huh?
Sure looks like it. What do you think?
420.
We have a photographer in his natural habitat. He's trying to get the photo
Looks like a bee
of the
flower.
ceiling, which is actually pretty cool. Just with a little editing, I can turn this into this.
Johnny Giuliano on the beat. Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Wiz Khalifa, and I'm so damn good. Yeah, I earn niggas respect before the cash came. You try me, get a ticket, I'm in the fast lane. I keep the bigger picture in the glass frame.
I love you.
City on my back like it's a motherfucking last name. Where you going when the driver know your last name? And first class ain't much different from the last plane. Say we the same, but I'm nothing like you guys, nigga. I'm a freaking fly Taylor ganger drinking drive.
Excuse me, sir. What are these called?
Now everybody's mourning. I think you
Snapdragons.
wanna
Oh.
bring some more in. Used to sound fresh, but now I'm getting spoiled. Cause new shit getting old and these hotels kinda boring. Don't mean to sound unappreciative, but it's obvious the game ain't what you think it is. Yellow diamonds speak Spanglish on my neck and wrist. Don't even check the list, they expecting us. See, I'm top ready to go, go, go. We in the air, you oh so low. Shorty, we gon' live it up. And girl, I got a lot, but it's just I can get enough. So I'ma check my bags, everything secure on my tag. Hand me my boarding pass, yeah.
Ooh. We are on Big Mountain with Dane, Alex, and my mom. Yes. Check it out.
And I'll hit you when my flight land. Hit you when my flight land. Hit you when my flight land. Yeah, got me feeling so professional. 3-hour trip with only 15 minutes left to go. A small comparison should let you know it's only time you niggas got legrooms in the exit row. Damn, people telling me I changed. That's exactly what I'm getting, so I'll never be the same. Niggas losing weight, yeah, cause what I spit is lipo. Try to explain, but still they get it twisted like a micro. I hit the club, it's like a light show. Bet this liquor turn that wood into a mic go. Still got a bitch that's for insurance like she Geico. Trying to use her phone to get a picture, but the lights low, but the bottle's still full. And you don't really want this night to end, do you? So sip slow, oh, oh. And I'ma put this thing on cruise control. See, I'm got ready to go, go, go.
What's a video made by me without no drone footage? Nah, that's a bad video.
In the air, you oh so low. Shorty, we gon' live it up. And girl, I got a lot, but it's just I can get enough. I'ma check my bags, everything secure on my tag. Hand me my boarding pass, yeah. And I'll hit you when my flight land. Hit you when my flight land. Hit you when my flight land.
we walked around for a little bit and enjoyed all of the sights, we continued down some trails to check out the even better sights. We were advised not to go too far down the trails as there are bears, mountain lions, and an animal you wouldn't deem so dangerous is the mountain ram. It might not be very clear in the video, but in the distance there is smoke, and this is the beginning of the fire in summer 2018 that closed most of the park down for nearly the entire summer.
What's poppin', y'all? We are on Big Mountain. There's Dane, Alex, my mom in the back, taking some hikes and watching out for bears. Gotta keep an eye out for them bears. Ain't that right, Alex? Watch out for them bears.
For the bears.
Alright, now we are on the gondola.
It's not a gondola, it's a ski lift.
Specifically a ski lift. Thank you.
Specifically a ski lift.
Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen.
We are on the ski lift on the way down. Pretty damn cold.
It's fucking sketchy.
Oh! Yeah. Just holding the camera out.
Woo! Look at them views. What the fuck? What'd he say?
I'd like to welcome y'all to the life of a star. Yeah, a superstar that is. And that's me, young Wizzle Man. Yeah. Little nigga, big money, big dreams. Big dreams. Tall nigga, small nigga, big team. Big team. Small teeth off of 115. Some say my life can't be all that it seems. Big thing, big thing. Big hoes want go back to my spot. They say how my shit gleam.
Next up on the places to visit is the hour drive all the way to Hungry Horse Dam.
Hungry Horse Reservoir Dam. Hungry Horse Reservoir. A sight for the gods.
Remember when I was a little nigga, 15. It's funny how I've grown, yeah, my money kinda long. Yeah, your girl know the words to every song. Cause I'm a star. Different week, ain't no telling where we are. Look up, I might be gone. Yeah, the man goes to get that cash in. Moving, I see through them lights flashing. Ain't no need to even ask it. Fuck the world, live every day like it should last. Yeah, no matter where you go, they know who you are. Run up screaming cause they know you're a superstar. You're a superstar. You're a superstar. Yeah, got right, grind hard, got paid, got in the game and got more haters. My whole swag got grown, got tailored. Hop on a plane and talk to y'all later. It's good weed, my blunts not flavored. My whole gang Gucci frame, Chuck Taylor. Ball hard like the majors. Probably cause we major. You won't have the front page 'em. Wild like a loose animal, they want cage 'em. Now I amaze 'em. Every time I enter a front center stage 'em. Blame the nigga that pays 'em. Grab with a bitch body on her, that's Cajun. Couple $100 on these Air Hardy frames, believe me. My future's so bright, I need these. Excuse me. No matter where you go,
Oh my god. Okay. You know, it's times like these, you just sit back and really enjoy the shit out of these kinds of views. I mean, this is like something from a fantasy world. And Montana has so much to offer. I mean, this is awesome.